Hello students, you are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel Education WAMH. In this video, I am going to discuss a grade 9 mathematics second term test paper for the upcoming term test. I invite you to subscribe my channel and watch more videos.
First question, recollect your memory on subject matters discussed on the lesson percentage. A part, a manufacturer incurs a cost of 2,800 in marking a chair which he intends to sell at 35,000 rupees. Determine first part, the profit of the manufacturer. How to find the profit? We have to subtract 2018 from 3,500. 3,500 minus 2,800. 2,800. What is the value here? 700 rupees. That is the profit. Then second part, the profit percentage. 700 divided by the cost of the item, 2,800, multiply by 100%. 7 times 4, then 7 times 100, then the answer is 25%. That is the profit percentage. Then B part, a vendor bought a bicycle at 16,000. Due to a manufacturing defect, he had to sell it with a loss of 15%. First one, determine his loss. 16,000 multiplied by 15 over 100. We have to multiply 160 by 15. 16 multiplied by 15. The addition is 240. In the answer 2,400. That is the loss. Second one, second part, determine the selling price of the bicycle. We have to subtract this value from 16,000. 16,000 minus 2,400. What is the value now? 13,600. That is the selling price of the bicycle. C part, Mr. Karunaratna is a textile businessman. There is a notice displayed in his shop that they offer a discount of 12%. Ruvini went to this shop and bought a frock at the price of 2,464 rupees. First one, what is the mark price of the frock? Let's take the mark price as X. Then X multiplied by 88 over 100 as the discount is 12%. 88 over 100 is equal to 2,464. Now X is equal to 2,464 multiplying by 100 over 88. The reciprocal of this fraction. 11 times 8. 11 times 2 is 22. 4 is remaining. 11 times 4, 44. Then 11 times 2, 22 again. Here remaining is 2. Then 4 is remaining. For 44, 11 times 4. Again we can divide by 8. 8 times 1, then 8 times 2 is 16. Then the remaining is 6. 8 times 8. So the price is 2,800. Then in second part, find the discount. We can subtract 2464 from 2800. Then what is the answer? 10 minus 4 is 6. Then 9 minus 6, 3. Then here the remaining is 7. 7 minus 4, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. So the value is 336. That is the discount given here. D part. Mr. Bandara is the owner of two-story house. His son has gone to a foreign country for higher studies. Mr. Bandara intends selling the house to cover his son's educational expenses. For that, he got the service of Mr. Vijay Sena, who is a broker. He usually charges a commission of 3%. If this house was sold at 15 million rupees, first one, find the commission received by Mr. Vijay Sena. The 15 million multiplying by 3 over 100. From that we can find the commission. $45. Then 4 zeros here. Then the value is 450,000 rupees. That is the commission given to him. Then second question, find the money received by Mr. Bandar. 15 million. Subtract 450,000. Nine minus 4 is 5. Then the remaining is 14. 14,550,000. 14,550,000 rupees. E part. A vendor bought an item, marked its price a profit of E part. A vendor bought an item, marked its price, making a profit of 40% on the cost. He sold the item for 1,545 rupees 60 cents by giving 8% discount on the marked price. What is the buying price of the item? Let's first take the marked price as X. Let the marked price of the item as X. Then we can write X multiplying by 92 over 100 as 8% discount is given. This is equal to the selling price 1,545 rupees 60 cents. Then S can be found by multiplying this value by the reciprocal of this fraction. 100 over 92. We can write this as, if you multiply this decimal number by 100, you get this value. Divide by 92. Then what is the value you obtain here? We can divide by 4 first. 4 times 2, 8. Then 4 times 3 is 12. Again let's divide by 4. 4 times 3, 12. For 4 times 8, 32. For 25, 4 times 6, 24. For 16, 4 times 4. Dividing this value by 23, you get 1680. This is the marked price. Then to take the buying price of the item, let's take the buying price as Y. Y buying price. Then we can write another equation. Y multiplied by, as he is intending to get a 40% profit. 140 over 100 is equal to 1680. This is a marked price. So Y equal to 1680 multiplied by 100 over 140. I can divide like this. Is it divisible by 7? 7 times 2, 14. Yes. 7 times 2, then 7 times 2, 14. 2 is remaining for 28. 7 times 4. Again, it can be divisible by 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 12. So the value is 1200. That is the buying price. Question number 2. An incomplete table of values. Prepare to draw the graph of the function y equals x minus 2 is given like this. The graph of the function is y equals x minus 2. First one, fill in the blanks. In the table, 2 blanks are there. So, we have to fill the blank. For the first one, when x equals 0, we have to find the value of y. Y equals 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. Then next one is 1. Y equals 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So these are the two values that we have to write in the blanks. Then second one, draw the graph on a suitable coordinate plane. We can draw the graph like this. Can draw like this. This is the y-axis and this one is the x-axis. And 0, 1, 2, 3. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here 1, 2. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. The points of the coordinates of the points are minus 2 comma minus 4. First one minus 2 minus 4, he is here. Then next one minus 1 minus 3 here. Then next 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 is here. Then 1 minus 1. Then 2 0. Next one 3 1. So we have to join the points to take a straight line here. I can draw the straight line like this. Third part, based on the graph, find the value of x when y equals minus 1 and half. Minus 1 and half. When the graph gets value minus 1 and half, it is here. I can draw a dotted line like this. Then I have to draw another dotted line till it finds the x-axis. Then here the value should be half. So for question number 3, the value x equals half. Then in fourth part, write the equation of the straight line which is parallel to the above line and passing through the point 0, 3. Parallel means the gradient must be same. So I can write the equation as y equals x, then it goes through 0, 3 plus 3. The x coordinate c value must be plus 3 here. C value should be plus 3 because it goes to 0, comma 3. That means the intersecting point of the point with the y axis is 0, 3. So the equation is y equals x plus 3. Then last one, question number 5. Does the point minus 8, comma minus 10 lie on the first graph? Explain your answer with reasons. If you substitute this coordinate to the equation of the straight line, y equals x minus 2. The y coordinate here is minus 10. Then x coordinate is minus 8. Minus 8, then minus 2. Then what happens? The left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Because of that, this point minus 8, comma minus 10 lie on the graph. Question number 3, first part. In the number pattern minus 5, minus 2, 1, write the next term. To find the next term, we have to consider this number pattern. Minus 5 plus 3 equal to minus 2. Then minus 2 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 plus 3 is 4. So the next term equal to 4. Then second question, find the common difference. Already we had found it, plus 3. We can find the common difference by subtracting a term, subtracting the earlier term from any term without taking the first term. So we will take minus 2, minus then minus 5. Minus 2 minus 5. Then what is the value? Minus 2 plus 5. That is equal to 3. Then in third question, write an expression for the n term Tn. N term. We will write 3n. Then to take, if you substitute 1 for n here, you get 3. To obtain minus 5, you have to subtract 8 from this one. So 3n minus 8 is the n term. This is equal to Tn. Then part 4. Find the 25th term of the number pattern by using Tn. We have to substitute 25 for n here. 3 multiplied by 25 minus 8. 75 minus 8, that is 67. Then fifth part, last question. Which term equal to 103? We are taking that n term is equal to 103. So you can equal the general term to 103. 3n minus 8 equal to 103. Then 3n equal to 103 plus 8. Then equal to 111. That is 3n. To find n, we have to divide both sides by 3. N equal to 3 times 3 is 9. For 21, 7. 39. So 37th term. 37th term is equal to 103 here. Question number 4. First part. We are given this to factorize. X squared minus 10x minus 24. Here the coefficient of the x squared term is 1. So we are taking this constant minus 24. We have to separate these to two factors. they must be, the addition of the two factors must be equal to minus 10 and the product must be equal to minus 24. So the two factors are minus 12 and plus 2. Then we can write this like x squared plus 2x minus 12x minus 24. Then we are taking x out here. X plus 2. Then here we are taking minus 12 out. X plus 2. Then x plus 2 can be taken out. X plus 2 times x minus 12 are the two factors. Then second question. Expand and simplify. 2x minus 1 times x plus 3. 2x times the second term. 2x times the second term, x plus 3 minus 1 times x plus 3. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times plus 3 plus 6x. Here minus 1 times x minus 6. Minus 1 times plus 3 minus 3. So the answer is 2x squared. We can simplify these like terms. Plus 6x minus x is plus 5x minus 3. That is the final answer. Third part, we are given this to solve. 2 times x minus 1 equal to 3x minus 4. 2 times x is 2x. Then 2 times minus 1 minus 2 equal to 3x minus 4. We can take this 2x into the other side and this minus 4 into this side. Then 2x minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 3x. Then 2x plus 2 is equal to 3x. Then I am taking this plus 2x to this side, that it becomes minus 2x. 2 equal to 3x minus 2x. So 1x, 3x minus 2x is 1x. X equals 2. That is the answer. Then in fourth question, find the value of m and n by solving the pair of simultaneous equation. First one, 2m plus n equals 7. M minus n equals 2. Equation 1 and equation 2. As we have plus n and minus n here, we can add the two equations. 1 plus 2. Left hand side, 2m plus n plus m minus n equal to 7 plus 2. Plus n and minus n can be cancelled. Then 3n equals 9. Then 3m equals 9. Then divide by 3 both sides. Then m equal to 3. Then we can substitute this in first one or second equation. I am taking the second equation. M is 3. 3 minus n equals 2. Then minus n equals 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. So n equal to 1. These are the answers. N equals 1, then m equals plus 3. Fifth part, find the value of f when c equals 45. In the formula, c equals 5 over 9 times f minus 32. C equals 5 over 9 times f minus 32. The value of c is 45. 45 equal to 5 over 9 times f minus 32. We can simplify like this. 5 times 1, then 5 times 9. Then again we can multiply both sides by 9. Then here 9 and 9 can be cancelled. This one becomes 81. 81 equal to f minus 32. Now take this minus 32 to this side. Then that is equal to f equal to 81 plus 32. 3, 113 is the answer for f here. Question number 5. Using only a straight edge with centimeter millimeter scale and a pair of compasses for the following constructions. Show the construction lines clearly. First one, draw a straight line segment PQ where PQ equals 6.5 centimeters. We have to take the distance between the pair of compasses and the pencil point as 6.5 centimeter. 6.5 centimeter. Then first we have to draw a straight line segment like this. I'll draw a straight line segment first. Then keep the point of compass here and draw an arc like this. Then without changing the distance, draw another arc like this. Then this distance. Then this distance equal to 6.5 centimeter. This is PQ. PQ 6.5 centimeters. Then second one, draw an arm QR such that PQR angle equals 120 degrees. PQR should be 120. We have to do the construction like this. I have to expand like this. Then this is the arc. Then we have to join the intersecting point with Q point. Then QR must be 5 centimeter length. QR should be 5 centimeter. That is also should be marked here. We have to take the distance 5 centimeter as the pencil point and the point of compass. And then keeping the point of compass here, mark the point. This is the point R. So we can join the circle by completing the circle by joining P with R. P should be joined to R. This is the triangle we get here. PQR. This length is 5 centimeter. Then angle should also be marked 120 degrees. This angle. Then third part, complete the triangle PQR and construct a line perpendicular to PQ from the point Q. A line perpendicular to PQ from the point Q. For that, we have to do the construction like this. Then changing the distance, I am taking the point of compass here and draw an arc. Then without changing the distance, I am taking another arc like this. Then I have to join this intersecting point and Q. So this is the perpendicular to PQ line. Angle is 90 degrees. Then next one, question number 4. Construct the locus of a point which moves equidistant from the points Q and R. Q and R. The locus of the point equidistant from the points Q and R. We have to take the perpendicular bisect of this QR line. For that I am taking more than half distance here, and we have to draw an arc like this. Then without changing, draw another arc like this. Then take the point of compass on the point R and draw two arcs. Then join the two intersecting points here. So this line is the line we want here. The locus of the point which moves equidistant from Q and R. So that is the line. Then last one, name the point of intersection of line perpendicular in part 3 and the above locus set as O. Part 3. This is the intersecting point. So this is C. We can name it as C. Construct a circle taking O as the center and OQ as the radius. OQ should be the radius. This is not C. This is O. It should be O. Then OC as the radius. OQ. OQ as the radius. We have to draw another circle. So this is the circle we get. Question number 6, A part. Ruan rides a bicycle along a straight road. The diameter of each wheel of the bicycle is 70 centimeters. Use phi equals 22/7. First question. Find the distance the bicycle moves during the period that the wheel complete one full rotation. That means the circumference of the of a wheel. So we can find it like this. C equals 2 phi r. 2 multiplied by 22/7. Then the radius is 35 centimeters. 35. 7 times 1, then 7 times 5. Then we can multiply this one. 5 times 2, 10. Then 22 multiplied by 10 is 220. Now this is in centimeters. Then second question. Find the distance the bicycle moves in meters during that the wheels complete 100 rotations. 100 rotations. This is for one rotation. So for 100 rotations, we have to multiply this one by 100. Then centimeters, we can give it in meters by dividing by 100. So it is 220 meters. B part. The ratio between radii of two circles is 2 to 3. Find the ratio between the circumferences. We will take the two radii of the circles as 2r and the other one 3r. So we can find the circumferences. I will take the circumference of the first circle as C1. C1 equal to 5. No need to substitute for 5 here. As in both formulas we have 5. 2 5 multiplying by 2r. Then C2 for second circle 2 5 multiplying by 3r. Now C1 over C2 equal to 2 5 times 2r over 2 5 times 3r. 2 5 and 2 5 can be removed. Then r and r also can be removed. Then that is equal to 2/3. Then the same ratio equal to 2 to 3. C part, in the figure, if AB equals 8 centimeters, AD equals 10 centimeters and DC equals 9 centimeters, find the length of BD. AB and AD are given. So, we can first use Pythagoras relationship for ABD triangle as that is a right angle triangle. So, first one I can write AB squared plus BD squared. AB squared plus BD squared equal to AD squared. AB is 8 centimeters. 8 squared plus BD. BD we are finding that. Equal to AD is 10. 10 squared. This is 64 plus BD squared equal to 100. BD squared equal to 100 minus 64. 36. So, BD is equal to square root of 36. That is 6 centimeters. Then second one, find length of AC. Find the length of AC. DC we are given 9 centimeters. So, the total length of BC is equal to 6 plus 9, 15 centimeters. Now we can use the Pythagoras relationship for ABC large triangle. I can write AB squared plus BC squared equal to AC squared. AB is 8. 8 squared plus BC is 15. 15 squared equal to AC squared. 64 plus 225 equal to AC squared. Then AC squared equal to, what is the value of this one? 9, then 8, 229. Now we can take the answer AC equal to square root of 289. That is 17 centimeters. Question number 7. A part. Find the value of x. We are given this diagram. In this diagram, we have two parallel lines here. So, because of that, these two angles are equal. These are corresponding angles. So, this angle also equal to 95. Then we can find the magnitude of this angle. I will mark it from red color. If you take this angle as A, we can find the magnitude of this one. Then this one. We can write the equation A plus 95 equal to 180 degrees. Supplementary adjacent angles. They are located on a straight line. A equal to 180 minus 95. That is 85 degrees. We can find B by taking the interior angle sum of the triangle. B plus 85 plus 60 is equal to 180 degrees. B plus, the addition here is 145 equal to 180. Then B equals 180 minus 145. That is 35 degrees. So, to find x, again we have to use the sum of the angles on the straight line. Then x plus 35 is equal to 180. Then x equals 180 minus 35. That is 145 degrees. B part. Based on the information given, show that XYZ angle is a right angle. Here, as these two lines are parallel lines, these two angles are allied angles. The sum of the allied angles is equal to 180 degrees. So we can write 2p, p plus p is 2p, 2p plus 2q equal to 180. Then if you take 2 out here, p plus q is equal to 180. Then p plus q equal to 180 divided by 2, 90 degrees. In this one, this is a triangle, so the interior angle, sum of a triangle is 180 degrees. We can write XYZ angle, XYZ angle plus, here the magnitude is P, here Q. P plus Q is equal to 180. Now we obtain P plus Q is 90. Then we can use that here. Then XYZ plus 90 equal to 180 degrees. XYZ angle equal to 180 minus 90. So that is 90 degrees. Because of that, XYZ is a right angle. C part, in the triangle, if BAC angle minus ABC equal to 15, I will write it first. BAC angle minus ABC angle equal to 15 degrees, and ABC angle minus ACB angle equal to 30 degrees. ABC angle minus ACB angle equal to 30 degrees. Find the magnitude of BAC angle. We want the magnitude of BAC here. So we are taking another two angles in terms of BAC. Because we can write another equation as the interior angle sum of a triangle as 180 degrees. So here I can write ABC angle. If you convert this, ABC angle equal to BAC minus 15. Then to find the magnitude of ABC in terms of BAC, I can substitute the value of ABC for here. ABC equal to BAC minus 15 degrees. BAC angle minus 15 degrees is ABC. Then in this one I can take the value ACB. ACB angle equal to BAC minus 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Now I can take another equation. ABC, I write BAC first. BAC angle plus ABC angle plus ACB equal to 180 degrees. Now I am going to substitute for ABC and ACB in terms of BAC. The first one I can substitute this one, BAC minus 15. BAC minus 15 degrees plus here BAC minus 45 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Now 3 BAC. BAC plus BAC plus BAC is 3 BAC. 3 times BAC minus the sum is 60 equal to 180. Then I can take this minus 60 to other side. 3 VAC angle equal to 180 plus 60 is 240. Now I can divide by 3. BAC angle equal to 80 degrees.